In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add text on Shopify. Whether you want to add a welcome message, promotional content, store information, or custom text sections, Shopify makes the process quick and easy. Start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're inside your store, click on Online Store from the menu on the left side. Next, click Customize beside your active theme. This will open the Shopify theme editor where you can make changes to your storefront in real time. Inside the theme editor, navigate to the page or section where you want to add text. This could be your home page, a product page, collection page, or another template. To add a new text section, click Add Section or Add Block, depending on your theme. Shopify themes typically offer options such as text, rich text, collapsible content, announcement bar, or custom liquid. Select text or rich text from the available options. A new text block will be added to your page layout. Now click on the text block you just added. In the editing panel, enter the text you want to display. You can add headings, descriptions, promotional messages, store information, or any content that fits your needs. Many themes also allow you to format the text by adjusting the font size, alignment, style, and spacing to match your store's design. Once you're happy with the content, click Save in the top right corner of the theme editor. That's it! You've successfully added text to your Shopify store and customized your page with content that helps inform and engage your customers. Thanks for watching.